Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel today. So this video today is going to be the NEC Restoration Show video. So as you can tell by the way the video has started with me introducing the video and that, I didn't actually go to the show. Unfortunately, I had my own personal reasons as to why I didn't go, so that sucked in a way, but at the same time what I got up to was alright. So it was important, so otherwise I would have gone. So yeah, thankfully, we had Rob on hold, our events coordinator. Shout out to Rob. I've mentioned him on the channel before. He was kind enough to go to the event, as he would have done anyway, and got some photos and videos ready to put together in a montage for this video, just to show off the success of the event. It was a very good event, as I heard. The MG Car Club young members had a thing going on the Friday of the weekend where they had a kind of like collaboration with Richard Hammond. So Richard Hammond has this new series where he's got his own workshop called The Smallest Cog, and they basically unveiled the MGB GT that he used in the final episode of Top Gear in a new livery, which was the it was in a like the Smallest Cog Racing like livery. So it did look really, really nice, and it was a very good unveiling with the MG Car Club young members as well. So yeah, there'll be some photos of that in this video, and also there's going to be the main like event list for MG40 coming up. Main reason why that's going to be the first like photo to come up is because we want to just put a bit of a side note in this video that we have MG Saloon Day coming up on the 16th of July. We just want to reiterate that it's part of the MG40 weekend that we got going on at Toddington. So yeah, if you guys want to come to that as well as like the rest of the weekend of like MG40, I'm guessing the main event for MG40 is going to be on the Sunday. So if you want to come to that, and just another reiteration as well. So we're saying MG Saloon Day. It's the clue is in the name of the register, the Zed Register. So even if it's MG Saloon Day, if you've got ZR or ZT, well ZT is a MG Saloon, but you know what I mean. Like if you've got ZR, ZS, ZT, ZTT. If you've got any of those, bring it. Like, just bring them along. Make the event even better than it already will be. Like, the more the merrier, you know what I mean? So, yeah, just wanted to just get that one out as well. So, I want to see as many of you there as possible. Yeah, we hope you guys are going to enjoy it when it does come along. But for now, I will put round the photos and the videos after this clip. And I hope you guys do enjoy what we've got to share with you now. But for this video, I will see you guys next time, and hopefully the next video will be the Pride of Longbridge video, which I'm so excited for. Like this is one I've been looking forward to for a very long time now. So yeah, enjoy the videos and the photos that we got to offer from this event, and I will catch you guys in the next video.
supercharger.
How do you like the handiwork? Hello. You're going to be on TikTok?
Pretty good.
But not that.
Uniform.
Whee!